Welcome to the Quantum Rewiring Ritual. This is your sacred space. This is your moment of return. So let's begin by taking a deep breath in. And a long, slow exhale out. One more breath in through your nose. And out through the mouth. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your womb or your sacral space, and repeat after me, or just let it sink into your body. It is safe to be here now. It is safe to hold more. It is safe to trust my own voice. My body leads and my mind follows. Let's now tune in. What's the belief that's been keeping you small? The one that echoes in your mind when no one's watching. When things aren't going the way that you hoped. When fear gets loud. Maybe it sounds like, no one sees me. I'm not good enough. I should have figured it out by now. If I was really aligned, this would be easier. Let it rise. Let it speak. No shaming, no fixing, just witnessing. Now ask yourself, where do I feel this in my body? Is there a tightness, contraction? Breathe into it. Let the energy move. Let it unfreeze. This is how we reclaim our power, by feeling what we used to avoid. Now, whose voice is that? Is it your younger self? A parent? A partner? A version of you who had to survive? And gently whisper to that version, you don't have to carry that anymore. I've got it now. You're safe to rest. Seed. I want you to repeat this phrase aloud with your full body. Even though I believed, insert your limiting belief, I now choose to believe, insert your new truth, because I'm ready to, insert your deepest desire. Say it again, this time with a little fire. Even though I believed, I now choose to believe, because I'm ready to. One more time. Even though I believed, I now choose to believe, because I'm ready to. This is how you begin to rewire. Now, visualize your future self, the one who doesn't question her power, who shares boldly, receives effortlessly, and trusts the unseen. She's already here. She's just waiting for you to remember. See her. Feel her. What is she wearing? How is she moving? What's in her bank account? What's in her DMs? What's the energy she walks into rooms with? Let her frequency fill your field. And now we anchor it in with this mantra. I don't chase, I calibrate. I am the frequency. They come to me. I trust my power. I trust my path. Now let's take a final breath in. Hold it. Take a little bit more. And exhale through the mouth all that is not yours. You are not the person you were 5 minutes ago. You are rewired. You are remembered. And you are ready. It is done.